Everyone, welcome back to Get Updated, and here we have a cooking range with oven, so a whole cooking range, and it has a deep tray, so you can see how baking can be a real fun if you're using this. And the size is very big, ideal, and it is made in Turkey with 5 burners. Looks great, and it is like high quality also, so probably it will go for years without any trouble. Really nice one. This is from Bosh. This is the other one, again 5 burners, but this one, if you open this, it is also from Turkey, but when you open it, you will see it has a fan there, which is going to make baking a fun of another level. And this is XXL size, so nice, right? Thank you for watching.